Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now, mother of the murdered Moody siblings, Stephanie Edwards, has revealed that her daughter, Kenisha, was charged in 2021 after she was found with rounds of ammunition inside her purse and was allegedly the girlfriend of Kings Valley gang leader Derval Williams. Now, while this mother is not saying her children deserved what took place, and she's definitely calling for justice for the death of her children, she's saying she knows the type of lifestyle her daughter was involved in, allegedly. And the reason why she was living outside of Grangeville, away from her mother, is because when she was first given bail, she was told to stay away from Grangeville. Kenisha was later acquitted, meaning charges against her were dropped. Now, unlike his sister, Ms. Edwards pointed out that Kerrick did not have a criminal past, meaning he did not have a criminal record, but clearly had started to participate in the lifestyle of his sister. Now, Kerrick was living with Kenisha in Brampton, St. Elizabeth. As stated before, one of the conditions of her bail was that she was to stay away from Grangeville till she relocate. Our brother relocate with her. Now, Kenisha had gotten a job in the parish, but had reportedly begun to work for herself at home, selling online. Probably she sell ear and wig and things of that nature after leaving the job, according to her mother, Miss Edwards. And she said, based on what she know, she's a smart woman. The siblings were seemingly engaged in scamming activities. Now, one thing about this lady, I have to definitely tell her condolences, and she's respected. Even though the lives of her children were taken, they were murdered. And even though she wants justice, she's not saying her children were saints. And the ruling theory is that the Moody siblings allegedly tried to cheat their boss out of money they had received. Their mother was quoted as saying, yes, yes, yes. The voice note said them bingo food and them go round the boss. The grieving mother expressed that if her son had stayed with her in Grangeville, seeing that he didn't have a police record and there was he wasn't given any bail and any conditions saying that he had to stay out of Grangeville, she believes if he had stayed there, he would still be alive today. The mother further went on to say, Kerrick was extremely close to his older sister, sometimes even sleeping in her bed. One day, she said to him, you don't give the woman no privacy. You sleep all in your sister's bed. You and your sister sleep. And that is where he made a statement to his mother that would actually come true. Him tell her, say, anyway, Steffi, which is Kenisha's nickname, dead, he got dead at the same place as well. And from the video footage we are circulating social media, they were buried together. Even though the locations of their bodies is still unknown to law enforcement and to the family. Why them bother video it and put it on social media if they don't want the family to get any closure? Edwards also disclosed that she attempted to have Kerrick further his education as he dreamt of being an architect, but he could not be convinced. Some would say the lifestyle, the flashy lifestyle. We have seen video footage of the siblings on social media. You know what I mean? Luxury vehicles, popping bottles of champagne. Now, while she acknowledged the path her children chose was wrong, Edwards is deeply affected by their loss and expressed her hopes that their remains are found so that they can be given a proper burial. Them say children of a bury parents. This mother is hoping and praying for just the simple fact to be allowed to be able to bury our children. Now, the alleged father of the Moody siblings has also spoken out in a video that is being seen on social media. No confirmation if it is actually the siblings' father. Now, the elder Moody said that he has been trying to contact Edwards after hearing about the suspected deaths of his children, but has not been able to reach her. Now, the man in the video was seemingly intoxicated, but expressed concern that he wanted to know if it was indeed his children that were being shown to him on video footage circulating social media. To the next aspect of the situation too. These parents were made aware of their children's death via video. Not a videotape of their lives being taken, but their bodies being disposed of. People, it's not worth it. The lifestyle, the flashy cars and the guest house, them and the champagne. Most Jamaicans, they even like champagne. Why you give away your life for something you don't even like? Why you give away your freedom to live a lifestyle that probably don't even excite you, but you know it excites other people. People will view you upon social media. People who you don't know personally and who personally don't know you. And why is it? With the vast amount of resources in a rural Jamaica, the youth in rural Jamaica feel like them have no other options than to turn to criminal activity. It is not true. The people them get tricked, and that's how it go. Rural Jamaica have abundant resources. There are other ways to become entrepreneurs. Of course, we know the allure, the temptation of fast money. That's something we have to strong for resist. But in this day and age, with social media show you all of the downfalls of the people who have gotten involved in this lifestyle. We don't see how people still swayed to get involved in it. And based on what's going on, you can always have people feel like say them can rob up this illicit money. Remember, them call it free money. Them use it for go dance, go buy liquor what them not drink, clothes what them hardly wear, multiple cars what them hardly get for drive. And some of the people who receive this money, them know what kind of money it is. Just like how them get tempted for join the lifestyle, at the same temptation attempt them for rob up the money. Anything, no matter how lucrative it might seem, anything where bring so much bloodshed cannot be good for the people involved in it, for the communities where these people involved in it reside, or for the country at large. Other than shoes, clothes and car, after one of this scamming money elevate the parishes that are known for this type of criminal activity. When we talk about Mobay St. James, and still tourism I push the growth of Mobay St. James. Now we are seeing scamming and take a foothold in places like St. Elizabeth that is considered the bread basket of the country. This is the parish produce the most produce. While we ship internationally, I will ship it around the island. Because unbeknownst to most people, and every parish, rural parish in Jamaica, is big and farming. Yes, there are farmers there. Don't get it confused. But the reason why them call St. Elizabeth the bread basket, there are more established farms there. And if the younger generation in St. Elizabeth are not getting involved in this illicit lifestyle, where will the new generations of farmers be found? Who are going to carry on the legacy of farming? Who are going to take over these farms? When of course them send them youths to college, owners of these farms, them use the best education. Some of them gone overseas, gone do what them do. The next generation seem to be excited or even into agriculture. I don't know what other people say, but no matter how much money people talk about, anything that brings so much bloodshed cannot be supported. And these individuals have actually made things slightly worse on the island. Scammers have risen the price of everything. Price raised for everything. Liquor sell more expensive a dance now because they might expect a scammer to come. Certain song alone play the music now. And certain song alone play as music now in a dance because what? People are waiting on the money pull up from a scammer them. Certain brands of clothes and shoes are now more expensive because they may say scammer wear them. Where the benefit? These are all things where happen because certain individuals get money. They make it worse for other people. These individuals getting money never make it better. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And of course, people are still saying justice for the Moody twins. We don't care what it is alleged that they were involved in. We don't care if Kenisha did have ammunition in her purse. We don't care if Kerrick did a follow back at his sister. The facts of their lives were taken, murdered. That is a crime. And even though the mother say she's aware that they may probably involved in illegal activity, it not change the fact say our children deserve justice. It not change the fact say they should be given a proper burial. No dirt to throw upon them on video it and circulate social media. They are human beings. They deserve better than that. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, subscribe icon and the bell icon. Of course, put it on all. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper. And for to stay tuned.